best mod to the Tahoe. Classic starter sound. Yeah. Alright, the guy that was supposed to come flash my 411 in the Tahoe got cold feet. I don't know what happened to him. He's gone, but we're here at the junkyard. We're not wasting time. I got another one. This one is for a 5.3. I went ahead and called mail order tuner, and he said just get one out of a 5.3. I was a little confusing with my setup, but we got it figured out. So he said just bring me one from a 5.3 and we'll see what we can get figured out. So I'm on the way over there right now. I'm tired of wasting time. Oh god, it's in. We got some wires mixed up. Hopefully this starts. Please let. Nope, nothing. God damn it. It is cold. All right, check it out. 80 is done. Son of a. Don't mind that. In there. Swapped. Where are my keys? There we go. So we're good. We got whole dash works, oil pressure, alternator, everything there working. RPM and everything in here is working. Actually got to reset that to 0. But we got an issue with the 80 as it sits right now. So the issue that I have right now, I'm gonna just run straight get to it. I got a pressure control solenoid fault. All my wiring is done, everything is fine. The tune is loaded up, everything's fine. But the transmission right now is defaulted to full line pressure, so I'm not gonna drive it. I'm not gonna go ahead and beat it up. I need to do some wiring checks. What I think I have is I have a bad solenoid out of the box. So I'm actually gonna replace that tomorrow because it's 32 degrees outside right now and it's not inside the garage. Whew. Oh shit, it is cold. It is freaking cold. Don't mind that. All right, so 411 is in here and running. If you did a 411 swap on yours and you're not gonna use EGR, you gotta check it. Look right here. Leave it unplugged. Leave it unplugged. I got an exhaust leak right there, don't mind that. But she's running good. 411, 480's in there, everything's good. I just got a few things to look over before I give it the final drive. You can tell I got my pins and everything in here. I've had my multimeter and I got my diagram and everything I've been looking over. But it's cold. So it's done, it's running. I'm almost there. I am almost there. And oh god, I know I haven't put a video up in a while, but I just want to show that it's running, it's here. I got a few things I gotta do before I can actually drive it. And I got a few things that I can show or show to you guys later on. A few things you gotta do to finally get the 480 up and running. But biggest thing first, shout out to mail order tuner that got me the tune file on my PCM so that I can actually use it. Everything works. Like I said, got a few codes and then we'll go from there. This is just a quick little upload. Almost done. And once I have confirmed that I have fixed the issue with the trans, I can go out and drive it and then give you the whole spiel, show you everything you're gonna need to do and everything like that. So be on the lookout for more. And the two-door will be out here doing stuff. Look at that. And we got no more squeaky belt either. No more squeaky belt. Later. There we go. Let's freaking start up this scan tool. So this is right here. You can see I got a pressure control solenoid fault. The solenoid itself, its measurement is like 1 ohm, which I think it probably shorted somewhere. These are just alternator faults. That's an EVAP fault. And then this one I got to worry about, the PWM fault. I don't know if this is because of the segment swap that I get this fault, but this one has to get taken care of. This is a hard fault. I believe this one can just be programmed out of the way, because there shouldn't be anything wrong with that. And then supplemental restraint. I don't really care about supplemental restraints right now. So you can see here, this is what I'm dealing with right now on my 80. And the 1-2 solenoid, which is brand new AC Delco, that's fine. Also brand new AC Delco shift solenoid. 2-3 pressure control. It's supposed to be between 3.5 to 8. I'm getting 1.4. And then the TCC, it's a little higher, but this, again, I'll figure this out later, but this guy has to get fixed now, because right now the transmission is defaulting to full line pressure. I have no shorts, I have no opens, everything's fine, pin drags, all that kind of stuff. Everything is new. So as you can tell, I have been looking over everything. Oh, there's a new one, even the DLC connector. Oh, about midnight. I think this starter is the best thing I've ever done to this Tahoe. I got the classic small block. Uh-oh. There we go.